Page 39, Scherzo. Scherzo is like a fun, prankish thing. You just expect the unexpected with a scherzo. You're just never sure for sure. 2/4 time, no sharps or flats. We're in the key of C major. Okay, that's fine. This rhythm, again, I'm going to take both hands at the same time because most of the time it's one hand or the other playing. And the rhythm kind of goes together from one hand to the other. So at the beginning, we're going to go 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and with 16th notes, 1 E and a 2 E and a 1 if you want to. So at the beginning it's 1 E and a 2 E and a, or 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and that's the rhythm. You get that? You got the rhythm. But you're moving around. It's both hands. So it's starting here 1 and again I'm going to play it all connected. You know? 1 and 2 and 1 and. Now, try and get these notes in the right hand down at the same time. I'm not very good at that, but try and do it. You just hear and you got the hand and you lower the hand. You listen very carefully to get it. I'm not going to do that now. And then a measure 8 quarter notes. That sounds wonderful, but that's what it is. And then you carry on, measure 9. We're going to go right on up. Then down, so forth. When you can get that, then add the articulation. We're slurring here. It's staccato. A couple of ways of doing it. You can connect those together. Or you can disconnect the 16th note from the 8th note. In other words, I'm playing the 16th note staccato. So it's which way do you want to go? Well, play around with it. Maybe one time you do one way and another time you do it another way. It's just different ways of interpreting the music. It's easier to connect it. So whichever. Then once you can do that, put in the dynamics. Moderately loud is both hands. Whatever you think moderately loud is, sort of loud, whatever, huh? And then on measure 9, they want you to crescendo up to loud. Now you could come down a little moderately soft because on measure 8, they're accented, which give them a little extra and separate them, don't connect them. You could come down and then gives you more room to crescendo for that measure 9. I'm doing it a measure at a time. Each measure gets a little louder. A little louder. Don't get loud till there. And then at the end, you see the diminuendo. The first, you're starting loud. Come down to moderately soft. Soft. Moderately soft. Sort of. With an accent on it makes it moderately loud though. I don't know why they put the accent there, but they did. So, okay. Speed-wise, well, vivo is quickly, playfully, graciously, but playfully. Jocoso, playfully. So it's fast and the feel of it, but it has to be accurate. So don't go beyond accurate. So, something like that. I like to play it with you very, very slowly to double check the rhythms mainly. The notes shouldn't be too much of a problem, although you are moving around. So I'm going to give us 2 counts. Ready and go and. Like that. Now let's try it together very slowly. Ready and go and. 1 and. rest and